Ever been stuck with a dead phone and desperately needed to pay for something? Don't panic. Even when your iPhone's battery seems completely dead, you might still be able to use Apple Pay thanks to a clever feature called Power Reserve. This tutorial will show you how to leverage it. First, it's crucial to understand what Power Reserve is. Certain iPhone models, specifically those supporting express transit cards and, for some users, Apple Cash or credit, debit cards, have a limited ability to continue NFC functions even after the phone has shut down due to low battery. To utilize this, you need to have an express transit card set up * before * your phone dies. Power Reserve prioritizes these cards for quick access. Go to Settings, then Wallet and Apple Pay. Look for the Express Transit Card option and select your preferred card. When your phone is critically low and shuts down, you'll have a limited window to make payments. Simply bring your iPhone close to the contactless payment terminal. You don't need to turn on your phone. The NFC chip will activate using the reserved power. What if you don't have an Express Transit card set up, or it's not working? Your best backup is a portable power bank. Keep one charged and with you, especially when you know you'll be out and about. This is the most reliable way to get your phone back online quickly for any Apple Pay transaction. And of course, never forget the classic backup, a physical credit or debit card. While not using Apple Pay, it's the most reliable way to ensure you can still make a payment when technology fails and your phone is truly without power. So, while Power Reserve is a handy feature, having a power bank and a physical card are your ultimate lifelines for payments when your iPhone's battery is dead. Stay prepared.